What's up, guys? So I want to record this short little video to show you guys how to get to the fuse box on your 2004 Porsche Cayenne. So I had to get to this fuse box to replace a fuel pump, and it's pretty simple. As you can see, it's underneath the hood. You take off the top piece, like the grill part, with a flathead, and then the top lid for the fuse box comes off also with a flathead, and you just lift up on it. There's like three pins that like hold it in, and once that comes out, you'll see all your fuses. And this is where your fuses are for your fuel pump 13 and 14. Fuse 13 and 14 are for the fuel pumps in this car. It has two fuel pumps. They're both under the back seat. So if you're having trouble where your Porsche is stalling out on you or it's not starting, what I would do is pull fuse 13, which is for the right pump, which is going to be on the passenger side of the car. And if it starts and it runs fine, then that fuel pump is bad and replace it. Now, if you leave 13 in and you pull 14 and it runs fine, that's going to be the fuel pump on the left side, which is the driver back one. And this is how I was able to replace the fuel pump on the one I have. So don't get mixed up with the fuel pumps and all that. The job isn't that hard to do. It's actually kind of, I wouldn't say easy. You pretty much have to take both fuel pumps apart to do it, but it's not that bad. You could probably do it in like 2 hours, I'd say max. Um, it's really not that bad. If you guys want to see a video on replacing the fuel pump, let me know and I'll record one. And then if you want any other videos on a '04 Porsche Cayenne, let me know and maybe I can film the videos for you guys. Thanks for watching.